So anyway, I welcome all of my new subscribers, and to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for coming back. As you can see, I'm in my new office setup. I hope that back there doesn't distract you. I guess I should maybe have done that to block it a little bit. Oopsie, still working on the background. We'll get something. I don't have a green screen, so yeah. Anyway. So did you catch what I missed in the last video? I totally didn't put any of the glitter I talked about and made you watch me mix into my painting. I didn't put any of it in there at all. So I don't have the same background color, but I do have black, and so I'm going to do one with a black background and basically those same colors. I think I'll leave out the darker red and just go with the 3 lighter colors and the gold and the glitter. And this time, I'm going to remember to put the glitter in. So, let's pour some paint. Oh my gosh, I am totally in love with this. Again, like, it's not my colors, right? Because my colors are blues and greens and purples, but, oh, and this is the whole opposite side of the color wheel from my colors, but they're just stunning together, and the design is fabulous, and I'm getting some cells and the glitter. I can't wait to see how the glitter dries. So, yeah, I'm going to set this aside, and, yeah, I'll be back. Oh my gosh, will you look at that? Like, that is just stunning. So, you know how I totally forgot to put the glitter in the last one? I don't want to, ooh, it's still a little bit wet. But look in the middle there. Look what I forgot to do. I totally forgot to tape it off. Luckily, not too much paint rolled through. It was just that little bit there, but the back of it is all mucked up. Anyway, look how beautiful this is. The glitter just adds a little bit of a sparkle here and there. The colors, again, look fantastic together. The gold is just spectacular. And I don't know where that bluish greenish, I guess that's from the black and the, I don't know, one of the creams mixing together. But wow, I am just loving this. And it will make a spectacular clock someday for someone. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate every single one of you. And I'm so happy that you're here to listen to me babble and watch me paint. It really does cheer me up to be able to come in here and play with some paint and chat with you guys and know that you understand what I'm saying and understand my passion for painting, because it really is the best. Anyway, guys, take care. Bye now.